Washing your car by hand can be satisfying, but without the right pressure washer, it often turns into a messy, time-consuming chore. Whether you're tackling mud-caked tires, rinsing off winter salt from the undercarriage, or gently removing dust from your paintwork, a good pressure washer makes the job faster and a whole lot easier. Some are built for portability, others for raw power, but all of them can bring that satisfying clean shine back to your car with minimal effort. In this video, we're going over 6 of the best pressure washers for cars, what they offer, and who they're best for. Product links are in the description below. Number 6. Kärcher K5 FJ. If you're someone who wants reliable performance from a brand with decades of experience, the Kärcher K5 FJ is worth a look. This German-engineered pressure washer balances power and precision with a design that feels built to last. It delivers up to 2,000 psi at 1.4 gallons per minute, right in that sweet spot for safe, effective car cleaning. At the heart of the unit is a water-cooled induction motor, which not only helps extend the life of the washer but also keeps things quieter while it's running. That's especially helpful if you're working in a residential neighborhood or just don't want a headache after rinsing your rims. One of the standout features is the FJ6 foam jet nozzle, which makes applying soap simple and quick. You also get a Vario-Power spray wand, which lets you adjust pressure without switching nozzles mid-task, handy if you're moving between tires, paint, and undercarriage. For tougher areas like wheel wells or concrete, it includes a dirt blaster wand, though it's not something you'll want to use on sensitive paint. The design is tall and sturdy, with a telescoping handle and smooth rolling wheels that make it easy to maneuver around a garage or driveway. It comes with a 25-foot high-pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, giving you solid reach without constantly relocating the unit. It's a bit heavier than some others on this list, so it's better suited to home use than hauling around. But for dependable car care with user-friendly features, the K5 FJ is a strong place to start. Number 5. Craftsman CMEPW2100. For weekend car washers or DIY detailers looking for something dependable without overspending, the Craftsman CMEPW2100 hits a very comfortable middle ground. It delivers up to 2,100 psi with a flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, which is more than enough for washing off road grime, brake dust, or salt buildup from your car's exterior tires and rims. Craftsman has a long-standing reputation for offering reliable tools at approachable prices, and this unit follows that formula well. It comes with 3 quick connect nozzles, 15-degree, a soap nozzle, and a turbo tip, which cover the basic cleaning needs without any fuss. Swapping nozzles is quick, and the turbo tip in particular adds extra punch for wheels or more stubborn spots. The washer is compact and lightweight, making it easy to roll around the driveway or stash away in the garage. Its upright design helps conserve floor space, and it includes onboard storage for both the hose and power cord, which keeps everything neat. The 25-foot hose and 35-foot power cord give it solid coverage without having to reposition often. You'll also find a built-in soap tank, so switching between rinse and foam is fast and convenient. No extra gear needed. If there's one trade-off, it's the plastic wheels, which don't feel as rugged as the rest of the unit. But considering the price and performance, it's a small compromise. For car owners who want a no-hassle pressure washer that just works and don't want to empty their wallet doing it, the CMEPW2100 is a solid choice. Number 4. Fanttik NB8 Ultra. If you live in an apartment, don't have a hose hookup, or just want a pressure washer you can take anywhere, the Fanttik NB8 Ultra is one of the most portable options out there. Unlike most models, this one is completely cordless. It runs on a rechargeable lithium battery and operates off a 780-watt motor that delivers 970 psi at 1.0 GPM. It's not the most powerful in this list, but it's more than enough for light car cleaning and quick touch-ups. What really sets this one apart is the built-in water draw function. You can pull water directly from a bucket, lake, or water jug, which means you don't need a garden hose connection to get started. That opens the door for on-the-go washing or city-based users who don't have outdoor access. It also features a 6-in-1 nozzle, letting you cycle through different spray angles and pressure levels with a simple twist. The unit is extremely compact, it fits in a backpack, and weighs far less than traditional models. You'll get around 45 minutes of runtime on a full charge, and the package includes a foam cannon that attaches easily for applying car soap. There's unit's smart display showing battery life and mode, and everything operates with a single button. This isn't the washer for heavy grime or caked-on dirt, but for quick rinses, bug splatter, or dusty paint, it's a convenient and surprisingly capable solution, especially for users with limited space or who want portability without sacrificing function. Number 3. Greenworks GPW2000. For anyone looking for a dependable mid-range pressure washer with enough reach and flexibility to handle more than just a quick rinse, the Greenworks GPW2000 is a great option. With 2000 psi and 1.2 GPM, it's well suited for car cleaning, but also holds up for patio furniture, walkways, and driveways when needed. It runs on a 13-amp electric motor, which keeps the noise level fairly low and removes the need for gas or oil. Startup is as easy as pressing a button, and the power feels consistent throughout use. The unit includes dual onboard soap tanks, letting you switch between detergents, which can be especially useful if you're treating wheels and paint with different products. You get a 25-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, which offers good range without having to constantly unplug or reposition. There's also a hose reel at the top to keep things neat, and onboard storage for your nozzles and cord helps cut down on clutter. It includes 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and a soap tip, enough to handle most car-related tasks with flexibility. The wide base and large wheels give it a solid, stable feel, even though the unit itself is relatively lightweight and easy to roll around. While you might notice a slight vibration while it's running, it doesn't feel harsh or distracting. If you're ready to step up from an entry-level washer without spending a ton, the GPW2000 delivers a nice mix of features, ease of use, and performance, especially for regular car cleaning and light home maintenance. Number 2. Chemical Guys ProFlow PM2000. If you take car care seriously or you're into detailing, the Chemical Guys ProFlow PM2000 is a pressure washer built with you in mind. Designed specifically for cleaning vehicles, this unit strikes the right balance between power, precision, and paint safety. It puts out 2000 psi at a generous 1.5 gallons per minute, which means you get plenty of pressure along with a stronger rinse, especially helpful when removing soap and grime from curves and crevices. Branded by Chemical Guys, a name already trusted in car detailing, the PM2000 comes ready to deliver thick, cleaning foam thanks to its included foam cannon attachment. The large detergent tank ensures you're not constantly refilling even during longer wash sessions. It comes with 5 nozzle tips, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, 40 degree, and a soap nozzle, giving you plenty of control over spray angle and pressure, whether you're washing a hood, wheels, or lower body panels. The 40-foot steel-braided hose is longer than what most pressure washers offer at this level, and it feels sturdy while being flexible. The compact body, quiet motor, and rubber tires make it a breeze to move around the car, and the retractable handle tucks away when not in use. There's also onboard storage for the hose, cord, and nozzles. Everything stays neat and within reach. It's not made for blasting concrete or heavy-duty yard work, but for car paint, trim, and detailing, it's one of the best fits out there, both in performance and thoughtful design. Number 1. Westinghouse EPX3500. If you're after a pressure washer that nails the balance between power, portability, and price, the Westinghouse EPX3500 is one of the strongest all-around options out there. With 2500 psi and a flow rate of 1.76 GPM, it's the most powerful unit in this lineup, making it ideal for everything from a quick rinse to more involved cleaning jobs on wheel wells, undercarriages, or heavily soiled paint. Despite that power, it keeps a compact and low-profile design supported by 360-degree wheels that make maneuvering around your car easy. At just 15 pounds, it's lightweight enough to carry or roll without effort, even up steps or across gravel. It comes with 4 quick connect nozzles, 0 degree, 15 degree, 25 degree, and a soap tip, and includes a foam cannon for applying suds right from the gun. The included 25-foot anti-tangle high-pressure hose feels pro-grade and flexible, while the 35-foot power cord with a GFC plug gives you solid range and safety. An automatic shut-off feature kicks in when the trigger isn't pressed, helping to extend the motor life and conserve energy. The unit stores upright and doesn't take up much garage space, which makes it a great fit for small setups. It's well regarded for its reliability and consistently strong cleaning performance, whether you're doing a quick rinse before heading out or a full weekend wash. For anyone who wants serious performance without lugging around a bulky machine, the EPX3500 delivers more than its size suggests, making it an easy pick for the top spot. So that wraps up our list of 6 great pressure washers for cleaning your car. Whether you're looking for something compact and portable, a solid mid-range pick, or a powerful option for pro-level detailing, there's something here for every kind of car owner. Be sure to check the description below for links and current pricing. Let us know in the comments which one fits your setup best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.